It's 4 p.m. You have 15 tabs open, a client on hold, and 3 complex itineraries to build. Sound familiar? Most AI tutorials are too complicated. Today, I will show you 5 tools to instantly clear your desk. Tool number 1, the Itinerary Rough Drafter. Your client wants a week in Japan but gave no budget. Instead of starting from a blank page, use a prompt in ChatGPT to quickly generate a skeleton layout. Remember, this is a draft only. Never send raw text directly. Use it as your baseline to customize. Handling the heavy lifting of the initial typing saves you at least 40 minutes of formatting instantly. Tool number 2 is the email fixer. The hotel is sold out and you cannot lose this booking. Type out your quick, raw notes and let Grammarly rewrite them into a polished, deeply empathetic email instantly. This step completely ensures your professional brand voice stays protected and flawless, even when you are rushing. Tool number 3 handles marketing. Social media brings valuable leads, but designing layouts from scratch takes hours. Simply upload one destination photo into Canva Magic Design and it instantly generates 5 professional marketing layouts. Your marketing content is completely finished in under 2 minutes, right while you enjoy your morning coffee. Tool number 4 solves sudden questions. A client asks, "Do I need a transit visa for Turkey?" Instead of digging through outdated forums, Perplexity searches the live web and gives cited answers immediately. Always double check with the official consulate site, but this tool gets you the correct link in seconds. Finally, we reach tool number 5. Your external research is finished. Now step inside your system. Inside Amadeus, the AI companion streamlines complex cryptic entries, calculates rapid refunds, and error checks your PNR. This is where real magic happens. You have true native AI power built directly inside your system. My challenge is simple. Just pick one tool from this list and try it on your next booking. If this helped, comment your favorite AI tool below and follow for more practical travel marketing automation tips today. Like this video, subscribe for more travel industry and Amadeus tips. Never miss practical automation strategies shared weekly.